April 17th, 2023. How's it going, guys? I got another video for you. Got all my security cams put up, and I'm going to show that real quick, so hold on. Okay, guys. Now, two of the ones I got are right up in that corner. There's one in that corner right there, and I have one underneath that overhang over there, and I'm going to show you how good that's coming in. Now, you see how dark it is out here. And I don't even have the lights on. I don't have it on infrared or anything. I want you guys to see this. Now, one of them is from my backyard. This is my backyard. It's a little bit bright out here because it's a little bit darker than that. See if I can get this to, if I can tone it down a little bit. There we go. And see, that's really awesome. That's coming in really good. And we're going to back out of that so that I can get my finger to hit this thing. And then we're going to go to the other one that I just put up. Some of my flags there. And the circular driveway on the east side. And there we are right there. And that's without even the lights on. That's just using the natural couple of little lamps that we got lit up around here, my porch light. That's pretty cool. And these also can tell a photo and have audio, basically mics on them. You actually can hear if anybody was out. If you wanted to, if somebody was up on the porch, you could actually hear what they're saying very clearly. As you can hear those vehicles going by there too. So, pretty cool stuff. Hold on, guys. Okay, guys, I'm back. And those are actually a HemiVision is what they are. Cams. You can look them up like on eBay. You can find them out there. I don't even know, Amazon might carry them. Anyway, they're pretty good cams. Fairly reasonable price, too. And don't forget, guys, anything that you're using on Wi-Fi or anything also can be jammed unless you go to the 5 hertz. So you either got to go up to more expensive models or you have to have that wired. My recommendation, have both. These are great. They function good. When I go up to the casino up there at Ameristar, I can look over here. You can look on your phone, see what's going on all the way around your house. Doesn't cost anything either. So, pretty awesome stuff. I'm going to show this one more time, guys. So far, I have, 5 of these wireless. 2 of them will rotate 360. The other ones are fixed. But they also do have zoom on them. Very good cams. So, hold on, guys. Like I say, for the quality, for the price, you can't beat it. And like I say, you can zoom in. Hold on. The clarity is really good. You're looking at my circular driveway and you can see the cracks right here. I've got this dimmed down a little bit. I can brighten it up a little bit, but quality, pretty good. You could definitely identify somebody too, if you had to. So anyway, guys, there you go. So you can really see. And that's pretty good. Anyway, if you like what you see, hit that like and subscribe button. And I got other videos coming. Keep your eyes open. Have a good one.